Hello. Can I help you?
Hi. Yes, I'm looking for a dress.
Sure. What kind of dress are you looking for?
Something casual, maybe for the weekend.
Great. We have these new arrivals. What size are you?
I'm a size small.
Here you go. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. Where is the fitting room?
It's over there, next to the mirror.
Thank you. I like it, but it's a little tight. Do you have a bigger size?
Let me check. Yes, here is a medium.
Perfect. I'll try this one. This one fits much better. It's very comfortable.
It looks great on you.
Thank you. I really like the color too.
Yes, it's perfect for the weekend.
I'll take it. How much is it?
It's $25, but with the discount, it's $20.
That's a good price.
Would you like to pay by cash or card?
By card, please.
No problem. Please insert your card here.
Done.
Here is your receipt. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Thank you for your purchase.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Come back soon.
Yes, I will come back for a very nice leather jacket.
That sounds great. We have some beautiful leather jackets in store.
Thank you again for your help. I'll definitely come back for it soon.
You're very welcome.
Solo el 10% logra entender esta conversación real a la primera. ¿Cómo te fue? Ponlo en los comentarios.
Dime en los comentarios, ¿qué otra situación real quieres aprender?
Subscribe to my channel if you learned something new today. See you in the next video.